likable rough. Ask the boys where they meet me in person. If you meet me in person, extremely likable. But you can see for the door, so I don't go feed it with everybody. You understand? Means me, I don't go feed come anytime. I'm a nice guy, like me. I don't want you to like me, po. But if you meet me in person, where I read you, where I check, I weigh the energy, you go see. Ask the boys where they meet me in person. They go tell you. You understand? So yeah, if you be likable person, you go shock you. Say yeah, you get. They push, you go back. These people, why are you this up? What's he saying? Ricky, what's he saying? Bro, you come with me. Make her finish what I do. How they talk. You know, it's small. 7 floor. I go half a 7 floor. Yele. It ba shocky, bro. You understand? Create this relationship and then, you know, put your ears down, focus, and just do your thing. You know? Yeah. If anybody bring war, if you weigh the war, you face the war as well. Yeah, anybody want to come do like it. Make you not say, yeah, you go through a business opinion. If they want to go court, bless up. If you reach police level, you go feel involve police too. And keep building. Make sure you have the right documentation. That's how you go lance, you go check everything. Say, yeah, this is the family way they own the thing for real. And focus. Ricky, they talk about the sorting. Ricky, whatever you go sort, it still no go reach how much dollar you go pay to buy a house. How much you go sort? How much you go sort, bro? Bush fee be what? How much be bush fee, bro? You understand? It be every area and how much they charge for bush fee. How about they take 300 and cents? You understand? And Ghana City, and you talk about dollar. $150,000. You buy land, maybe the area they saw one plot for 30k, 40k. Ghana City. Bro, if you dare here where you just want to go buy and left here. And they talk to the niggas where they be hard guys where they want to experience life. They want build from the ground up. Some of you be slave queens, you be girls. Serious. Oh, you be girls, so I don't know. If you know something important where you want for that area, maybe the area be close to your business or something. Wherever you want, wherever you go stay, you know, where you go build your dream house or somewhere. If location they need you. Bro, most of the rich people in this UK, didn't they stay London? They stay outside London. And if the ones where they stay inside London have houses for outside London. You understand? But the real rich people, they all live outside London, bro. Oh, them all. The real rich. What does it take city to do? Outside. Less stress. Less traffic. You understand? Yeah. A senior clever agent way from a brilliant become work regular. Oh yeah. That be serious person. You know they watch, you know make location catch am. Because it be clever agents. Where like you go fig there. Them are there. But no, every you probably building dream house for them. It's cool. You just for check the timing on what time for move from house and steady the traffic. And yeah, you're good. You get car. Or you get bike. You know? If you say a lot of niggas just want to fit in so bad, that be the thing. That be my problem. A lot of niggas just want to fit in so bad. So they end up buying serious car. Bro, imagine your forecast or maybe your forecast for a house. This rain go fi match the 4. 4. Cast 4, I say. Bro, that be like $400K. Onushi, that be like $400K in 50 years. Plus your electrical appearance and some people them at TV. Crazy. $10K. TV. I say. Yeah, Onushi. So if you think about all these things, we put right things in place early. As a young guy, you want to go buy like some girl. Charlie, we some girls where when they hit girls where the sugar daddy they buy them house. Girls, I'm gonna to fee mom. My young boy where your money come, you want to go buy. Young boy where I know your sights. Charlie, bro. I say if you experience that thing, say you buy your first sand when the sand come, you watch. Hey, the one you bow. Hey, greater than what greater my you be great. You assassin so. If you experience that, I tell you. Me my first son I buy a laugh. I come and go say, Charlie, so this thing, the cost like that way they give me pressure like that. A trip of sand. It was shocks. I come and go and say, so this thing, the cost like that way they give me pressure like that. Like see, because I calculate everything I use sneaker money, Way I check sneaker money. It was way expensive than Anya trip back home. And this matter they tell you, 2018 matter they tell you. And they laugh. If you now go through the plan and sense, architecture and sense with architect, how you want them, bro. It's different vibe, bro. A different conversation, bro. Yeah, your house. During the building, you will see the rain and you will see everything. How when it rainy they happen, you will know what you do. What some people do for you. Fast. So they will hide everything. They will try them possible to hide every hour. But this one be your own way to build. They go make sure say you build them to the toppest tier. Don't make location fool you, bro. Go far away. Go far away. Go and buy affordable land and build your dream house. Don't make anybody tension with location, bro. Location they bring you more money. Location. You ever hear say somebody dash somebody money because he handled the same area before? You ever hear that before? Well, me, I'm the area, yo. So he dash me money. Oh, I stay East Legon, so I find 1 billion for floor. No. No. Connections, yes, but usually it's not be area. Connections is usually location, like where you meet for club, church, gym. If them places where they link up, them things go happen. Parties. But area there, once the area there usually be competition, I don't go lie. Area matter there usually be competition, bro. Area matter there. Your neighbors don't like put you on game and come me arm. No, that one there, do a competition there. But when you be far away, competition all day. They go like do you good, Yeah, who did they check for area? Who did they check for area? Eh? I don't hear MTN. Nobody network for MTN area, bro. Networking. Free baby, no free baby. Na you share na ya networking. You share a party biase. You know, some barbecue, some place, somewhere. Ona, ye biase. You know, it be there them things they happen for. No be area. Say you they go walk with me, they go away, meet we will do. You know they happen, bro. Forget. Area is competition. Area is competition, bro. Who buy the freshest car? Who buy the latest car? Who that? Hey, yeah. And no cost. And no cost area. So you know, no one is putting you on. Forget. No one is putting you on that level. Don't make area tension you. Go, bro. If you far somebody you won't far past your own, so just buy the affordable land with good drainage and build your dream house. Build palace. Yeah, build house and stand the balcony and watch around and be like, I did this shit. You understand? Go stand some small balcony, some small. If you watch down, everything is small. 2 cars, car park level, 2 cars. Meanwhile, that money where you take by the house, you go fit buy you 8 cars. Car park, 8 cars, 9 cars, 10 cars. With big swimming pool, Olympic size. You understand? Yeah, if Kaswa too, go Kaswa. Go Wager, go wherever. Don't make an area panic you. Like, you know, go wherever it did, go. And make it your home. It's how you make it, too. When the boys here say your house they be, when the East Legon boys here say your house they be, they still go respect you. Forget the area. When the boys here say, hi Charlie, you're my house. You never hear that rumor say rolling see it inside house. You say, quiet, Oceane. Yeah, pram. You build castle for the house is big. Crazy. The house, they say renovate them or you break them or something. Last time I see them, they do some renovation for them, but I don't really pay attention. But yeah, big. When the ministers come see them, had the courts. It's so crazy. It's so crazy. One house was an acre and a half or something. But you think you only make one house, it looks small. I have to tell you. So his probably like 2 acres or something. Big, huge. The building alone crazy. If you see in lounge, fucking high ceilings. Fuck big. If you see the porch, like that, crazy. You understand? Yeah. Don't make the boys tension you and because you want to fit in so bad. No. Go far away, bro. Go for if you Kumasi say if you go build your dream house, go there and go and build your dream house. Bro, so if you're not fan air can you understand? If you know be the location, the Abu Trigger guy, they take in house for Swedro tension the Accra boys. Swedro, they still you understand? If they take the house, Swedro, they take tension them for Accra. You know how many boys for Accra where they did the small houses for the East Legon there, they go fit build that house on if like they go far away. But because most of them wanted to fit in so bad. Long. So anytime they want feel cool, they go just do something. Or no, Ebema, on BC be our Accra. When I wait Jimmy, I wait choose to Accra. Or no. The comfort zone, then I wait in the dream house. When I open, you won't fit in where you go build your house for Accra. East Legon, to be precise. We you had there. Yeah. Yeah, that's when they talk and they laugh. Yeah, well, if you man, when they come and cry. If you man go there. If you man go there, go build dream house for them. If you man, you to go there. You understand? They feel pressure themselves. Some of the Game Boys, they feel pressure themselves with something. When I hear and they feel laugh. There's this video or this sound where they go around. Hey, then they get money. I will come and cry right now. Yeah, me see who go buy bottles in a Jimmy Sem. That sound, I won't see the boy in face. I would like to see the boy do that video. I would like to see the boy do that video. Krasini and Kasa. Every 2 years, some sound like that they come, you know. You know, Krasi for Game Boys, you know. I go tell my body come and cry right now. They get money. Oh, fucking idiot, bro. Yeah, Adala or Adala or whatever, they no reach. That sound. I really want to see the boy in face. The boy do that sound. I want to see in face. So when I see him, I don't say bulu ene. I just want to see him and not say bulu ene, you know? Yeah. Them boys, now money they chop 5 years. They damu quick, papa. The boys they fit make those kind of chats. They damu quick. They need the chair for the scene inside. They need the chair. They need the chair. Akpa me mla. They retire them quick. Don't want to say fast. Omunche will give me. Omunche. They retire them quick. Them kind of boys where they do those kind of chats. They retire them very, very early. Them say he did outskirts of Accra. 5 years long, 6 months. Charlie. Some way, you know. Some of the boys when you hit, if I fit get some trusted, sensible uncle or something, make it day your body, make it they guide you, you know. Yeah, uncle way, you know they shy your money. Where he go fit tell you to your face, yeah, do this, do that. It go fit see you, you know. But Ghana, because of the economy, people they fit sell them out. You know, adulthood and respect everything that they fit sell because somebody get money pass they feel humble and you know or turn they new yam, you know. Yeah, money they fit buy them integrity and then they make some way, you know, that is, you know. Or if you have solid ankle, you go fit put you in your place. You have some solid circle, they go fit put you for a place, you know. Building is way cheaper. You know? For real. Cut the cost and build a dream house. On a peace of mind. Nowadays, fuck with rain, then they are for you and hey. One person didn't be people who be try to feel now, they would feel that internet also say, oh, fear flat you. They do your area. Now they see your body side, you go big side. Now people they call, oh Charlie, be okay. Charlie, I see your house or the oh Charlie, your area of oh Charlie. That's it. I don't say you be catfish, you know, because girl way they talk with Ronaldo there, you know, some way. Dirty tete. You ever have me fans with Ronaldo? Very suspicious, you know. Aboko Bios. You package boy say. A package boy say. But get hard guy jibo. You browse hate money. Make some. Usually these niggas they sell land. Some of them no go school. Honor. They take some big mind sell use on land with in the name of hills. Far away from East Legon. They just put hills for back. You believe. Tashi people, Tashi. Oh, you see them? Those people, the people where they all those things they go back in your land. They be Tashi people. The Tashi people with my land. Imagine. Imagine, bro. One of them way that shut away the banku you know. You know, I sure say somebody take land, you know. Obi the banku arem land because on your arem no ever. And we gave him to take go that shut away because he probably believes he be real arem. You know? Yeah. Mawale banku arem. Allegedly twice. Twice. Allegedly. One, they do one Miku Ossi. The second one, allegedly, you know? Banku. Minu. Ade. Who are they? Whoever give them, I sure say they take the land, you know? So yeah, later you find out say Charlie. Yeah. You know, imagine. People waiting if you take Banku, go take land from them. Long. Go far away, go and build a dream house. Some of you guys go for me like you go get some house near some river. Hey. Some people go free to sell the river safe ad for you. Your house river did there. You know the flex. Hey. Some lake did your house. Some river did your house. Be flex rough. Dwayne Johnson. You don't buy no I to feel lake poor. The units they fit come do experiments for the lake for the house. But this kind of if I know opinion, you know go understand. Enough for the boys you know understand. You know the flexi be river, lake, seafront, those things. Some water body. That's why the boy you know. Yeah. What I say? Yeah, a flex rough. Bro. A flex rough. You don't have to be in the midst of everybody. You know? Oh, if you're imagine, say, maybe some family disputes. Your neighbors could hear you. Your haters here them did the area. No? The boys said then they completed it here. You understand? Maybe some of you then killers come your house. You chop somebody money, see somebody money top. Your neighbors they see, oh, Charlie, your man, they be like, see somebody money top where they go in house, so you don't see the killers come your house. You know, oh, your man, you don't see Koti come your house. Because you are around everybody. But if you be there far away, why not Koti? You understand? So bit simple, onim haters no. Haters some more cry. Almost is Lakeside near there. They where they go to here for. You understand? But because you want to fit in so bad. Anything, Akabonya, any news, any hey, you know, they hear, they take your matter go. They see, they witness. For real. Young man, you know, yeah, just stay in your rented place and build something, you know. Yeah, move in there. Move in nice, yeah, and then you buy your kitchen cabinet, you know. Charlie, you make the do the way you want them, some killer island for the kitchen, you know. Yeah, no cool. How you want them, the color you want them, the size you want them. Onushi. Some of you, like the bathroom, the house you buy, you don't like the bathroom. It's somehow. You don't like the tiles. Some way. If you change them, maybe money again. The will be the way some you don't like. So now if you spoil them and do them again. But this one, if you build them, you choose the color of the tiles in sense. The size of the kitchen you want. You understand? If you take everything, some of you like to fuck for the kitchen. For make sure say if you measure the cabinet and things, if you day on your waist level, just under your waist level. So say when they put the pump on top for you, you can just stand and bank. But if you go buy already made, long, you need to reach then now you do so. You tiptoe and things. But if you be customized to your level, you understand? Carpenter or whatever, or however you want everything measurements nice. They don't say okay. But also say at the end of what I say, you know? Yeah. Customize, bro. For real. You know that? Because if you build them from the ground up, so you take everything into consideration. It's you, it's your house, it's customized, they suit you. The balcony, how you want them. Konika doggy buy on the balcony, the way you want, make the assets, no. So you go make sure, see. Ona. Ona. Son fence, son no, ona. Kodenye mommy, ona. Ne do me, ona. But if you be already made, you see that yeah. You need to see those videos where you do at the post, no. The AD them are showing, no. Architectural Digest or whatever they call it. When the celebrities they talk, they tell you say this was customized. They had to send this to bring this from here and you know make it suit them how they want them. You understand? Oh, this door was made in here with this kind of wood shaped from the dimensions customized. Unim dia waton. Unim. And you will be na aton or catch us say we you say you. Una unim. Una wa order. You understand? And no when you bring visitors waiting, you give them a tour where you talk about them and stuff. And a different flex. Huh. Oh, dear way. Me my order on a special from Konongo. You know, they we wa papa pow. You know, yeah. Yeah. We man koto wa masama. Me madam for be all you know. On a Ghana level, you know. Beje Hollywood Jibo. No, on a Ghana level, it's your flex with that. Special wood from the forest inside for Konongo somewhere. Baby. Yeah. Where they bring them, where they come. Carve them, mold them, paint them, everything you see. How you want them. Flex. Maybe don't go flex for the Ghana people, but when you have a now we can story now. Be bossing our dream. Kind of for no money be enough. So when you tell that thing, they go think say, but when proper guy man come wait, you tell them that story of how you got this wood from this forest. Huh. Don't believe. I believe you, Papa. Ghana boy, you no go see the flex. Make job that give that job to proper guy man, butcher guy man. You go see how he go believe you. You go see how he go believe you. You say those Italian tiles where the order from Italy come to America there. If like some did America there, or America they do that kind of tiles, they don't get them from America. They don't get those things. So they for import from there. You get that be why. But they go buy from there, but they don't get. That's why they come from